Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, Angela Mutavi Art, and this is a sneak peek of another detailed tutorial of how I painted this beautiful flower. If you want to see every single detail of how I painted it, please stick around. You will be amazed. Okay, here I have a painting that I had painted a while back, and I am going to use it as the base. I'm only going to be using white and turquoise. So I'm going to do about 3 flowers, maybe 3 flowers on each side. And this again is a one-stroke painting technique that I love so much. I've been just enjoying this technique. It's very easy. You can paint like really good flowers with this technique and look like you spent a whole hour painting them, but you spent no time at all. So yeah, again, I have a couple paintings that are a couple videos that I used this technique previously, and if you want to check them out, I will actually put all my one-stroke painting videos in one playlist, and then you can just watch all of them and learn how to paint this beautiful, to paint using this beautiful technique. It is not going to be a very long video, but really you will learn just by watching what I'm doing. This is a very detailed painting tutorial, and some parts I will time lapse, because I mean, if it's the same stroke, guys, there is no need to do 10 strokes, 10 same stroke at the same level of speed. But it's once you've done 1 or 2 strokes, you've got it. But anyway, so this is what I'm doing right now. I'm just kind of making those flowers and making the designs, and later on I will embellish them with different color. So stick around. You will be so amazed on how it turned out. It is, I don't think I've ever seen anybody else paint this with using these colors, but it is beautiful, guys. So stick around, and when you're finished watching this, if you enjoy what you're seeing and you want to see more of these flowers or even different paintings that I do on my channel, please go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and most of all, hit that notification bell. That way, every time I post a video, you can be notified. And if you really don't want to miss any of my videos, once you hit the notification bell, you can select all. And when you select all, every time I post, you will be notified and you will see the new video. So please do that for me. The subscription is free, and it really liking and commenting works well with the algorithm. So my channel will continue growing. So your comments and likes will trigger the algorithm to really share my videos with a lot of other people, so my channel can keep growing. Guys, help my channel to grow, because I really want to keep bringing you these beautiful videos and flowers and techniques. And if there is one particular technique that you want me to repeat or keep doing more of, be free, feel free to put it on the comment, and I will definitely, if you request any technique, whether it's just one person who is requesting it, I will definitely go ahead and repeat that for you. So yeah, so this is the flower. It's going along. We are going along pretty well. We are almost finished here, and it's really awesome flower. By now, if you've been watching my one stroke videos, you kind of know how, how to hold the brush, how to put your two paints together, where to put your two paints. Yeah, so, and again, I don't want to, because this is a tutorial, I don't want to assume that you all know. So basically what you do with this technique is you put one paint color on one end of the brush, and then the other color on the other end of the brush. Now, if you want white to be dominant, then you have to put more white. Like you can put white 3/4 of the brush, and then the other color, just one tip on the other tip, like 1/4 of the brush. And then that means that white will be more. Vice versa, if you want another color to be dominant, just switch the amount of the paint that you want on the brush. So yeah, it's been really awesome painting these flowers. I love them, and there's so many different flowers that you can paint using this technique. I am just finding them everywhere, and I am gonna paint them until somebody says no. I'm just gonna keep painting them because I love them, and I know you guys love them. Like I said, if there's another technique you like to see, feel free to tell me, and I will definitely go ahead and paint it for you. So now that I'm finished with the flowers, I am just right now just going over the painting and putting a few buds. Like, these are, how these big flowers, this is where they grew out of. So basically just other flowers that are kind of budding out. And once that's done, I will just go ahead and do some touch-ups and do the centers, and we'll be done. I told you this is not a very long painting, and it's very easy. You can paint it in a few minutes, and you will have a nice little painting for yourself. You can put on the wall anywhere in your house. You can hang it unframed. You can frame it really nicely and put it in an area where you think it will look better for you. And again, you don't have to have the background like mine. I just wanted to reuse this painting that I had made before, and it didn't look right. So I just, and obviously when you look at it right now, the background looks like this flower is in front of like grassy knoll or a little forest. So it kind of blends in. It does blend in. So yeah, so now I am going to do the centers, which I just, I'm just putting the turquoise blue right now. And then after that, I will use another color to put the middle part of the flower, like the little pollen. It's like a pollen, really. Not seeds or anything, but pollen. But before that I'm using green paint to kind of just retouch the stems of the flower. So instead of them being stuck white, I'm putting green on there That way, at least, stems are green, most of them, as far as I know. And after that, we'll just do the pollen on the middle of the flowers, and we will be done. So keep watching, and I hope you're learning something. I really love what painting these and explaining to you what I'm doing, and so you can learn and you do your own. You can buy these paintings from people, or you can make your own. It's not a big deal. And again, I think like a darker, if you don't have already pre-painted canvas, a darker color, like even black, you can use some black canvas. Now I am using red to put little dots on the center of the flower, and that's like pollen. Those are like little seeds that you find in the middle of a flower, and those are the ones that kind of bud out to I don't know, those are the flowers and the bees pollinate, I guess. Not sure, but these are little pollens that I'm not sure what they're called, but I will, if I find the name for it, I will write it on here so you can you know what they are. But off of my head right now, on top of my head, I cannot think of, I know what they're called, but I cannot think of their name right now, so forgive me. So now I'm just embellishing these flowers, and once I am finished with those pollens, I will wrap it up. It's going to be finished, and I'll show you the final result. Now, if you have enjoyed this video and learned something, perhaps you have painted along with me. Perhaps you are going to rewatch the video and paint your own later on. If you have enjoyed it, learned something, want more of these paintings, these flower paintings from me, please subscribe to my channel, comment, share, like, hit the notification bell, and you will be notified every time I upload a new video. And here is the final result, guys. I think it turned out wonderful. What do you think? Leave a comment. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much for being here. God bless. Bye.